Hello and welcome. Now from this video we are going to start new series. In this series we are going to understand how we can isolate two separate applications using overlay network. To understand this whole process, we have divided this series into the 4 different chapters. So let's start with the chapter number 1. In this particular chapter, we are going to understand what is network isolation. Point number 1. When two different applications are running in Docker Swarm cluster, network isolation means ensuring that they do not interfere with each other. Let's say that I have Docker Swarm cluster. Now don't worry about cluster size. If you have multiple manager nodes, worker nodes, it doesn't matter over here. What is our requirement? We have one Docker Swarm cluster. Now in this cluster, you are running multiple applications and you want that containers from application 1 cannot communicate with the containers of application 2. So you are running two different applications into the same Docker Swarm cluster, but containers of application 1 are not going to communicate with containers of application 2 or vice versa. Their communication should be protected to ensure security and prevent unauthorized access. They should be kept isolated to prevent any performance or security issue in one application from being affected to another. This will be good for the security reason as well. So yes, they will create multiple containers for application 1. All the containers which is used for the application 1 can communicate with each other. Again, we will create another application, application B, and all the container of application B can communicate with each other, but any container of application A not going to communicate with application B. Two separate applications running in same Docker cluster, Docker Swarm cluster, but they are completely isolated from each other. This is main objectives of network isolation. I hope you got idea. But yes, definitely we are going to perform labs for this, and after completing lab, you will get better understanding. That's all about chapter 1. In the chapter 2, we are going to understand lab objectives. Goodbye.